Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland, Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, Toronto Subway, and many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucille's Hive.
Hi everyone, this is Lucille Hive once again. Come and join me to experience one-day scenic rail adventure with Agawa Canyon Tour Train. We arrived at the train station early. The one-day journey starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 6 p.m. It is necessary to go to the station 30 minutes before the start of the journey. Since the location is a 4-hour drive from Sudbury, we booked a hotel so we wouldn't be late. The fee is $155 per person plus tax. During non-peak season, the fee is only $140. I am very excited about our journey for today because I love the fall season so much. I am excited to see the beautiful view and the colors of Algoma country.
Car number 10 today.
Okay, do you need to scan the thing or
No, you're going to take this on the train with you. Okay.
Thank you. According to the attendant, we pick a good day that is not busy. Usually 800 people per day, but today there are many empty seats. Yeah?
Conveniently, 500 million years later, a second fault line.
Oh wow, this is really amazing and beautiful. Look at that. I love it.
1797, when the British, who had recently been forced to withdraw from the American South Shore,
line in fighting forest fires from the air. In 1924, the Ontario Provincial Air Service was established in the Sioux and went on to become a recognized center for firefighting technology and techniques. Today, Ontario has one of the largest and most advanced fleets of water bombers in the world. Planes like the
The destination of the Agawa train is at the Canyon Park, where we can see a beautiful view. The journey takes 4 hours to reach our destination, and during the 4-hour adventure, we will see the breathtaking view. Look at that, guys. It's so beautiful. Una ko talagang nakita to. Sobra na akong na-in-love sa place. And just to let you know, we are just arriving to our final destination into a canyon park. Ang ganda, sobra. Napaka-peaceful, beautiful, and the colors are beautiful, amazing. Thank you so much for staying with me, guys. The continuation of this vlog is about my walking tour in this place. Please do subscribe and click notification bell in order for you to be notified for my next video. See you next time.